Good morning. Today I'm going to cover a video tutorial on how to increase computer volume in Windows 11 computer or laptop. So far your machine runs Windows 11 operating system. This video is for you. So there are two major methods you can use to do that. The method number one is by clicking at the quick action center. See this section that has at the taskbar here that has the network icon, the audio icon, and the battery icon. So click there. Okay, so once you click on that spot, it will bring up some icons. So this is the section for volume. This slider is for volume. You can see the volume icon here. You can increase by dragging forward on this slider, okay. If we want to reduce or decrease, go here, but here we are increasing. Okay, that's the number one step. Another step or another method through which you can do that is by getting to the volume settings through the search app. So click on this search app here, pinned at the taskbar by default. All right, it has provided us with a search bar where we can type what we want to get to. So here type sound. Okay, so it has suggested something for us, that is sound settings. Click on that. This will open a sound settings page for us. So on that page we can make the adjustments we want. See here the section that says volume, so we can drag up to increase the volume. As you can see that, so I've moved from 80 something to 93. All right, so these are just the two basic ways or major ways you can increase volume in Windows 11 OS computers. I hope this video helped. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave comments. Thank you and stay good.